Dear friends, let's calibrate Cuckoo clock. Hope you have installed battery backside of this Cuckoo clock. It's very easy to calibrate. First of all, just check at which point your small pointer and big pointer has kept. For example, right now this it's ringing 5 right now. Okay, it's kept 5. What I have to check, I just need to rotate this big pointer from this point, and I have to keep hold this small pointer to the same place, right? For example, see, now this is ringing right now. So it rings 2 times right now. I have to rotate this big pointer unless until it rings for 5 times, right? Three times. Four times. See, I'm telling you, I hold this small pointer at the same place, fifth point, at 5. It's done, my dear. Calibrated 5. Done.